I have to share with you something that I've become obsessed over in the shower, and it's saved me from having to put as much lotion on and from my skin drying out. It's this. I got it in my FabFitFun box. That's where I first got it from, and it lasts a really long time. It's an oil that turns to a milk when you're putting it on your body, but it doesn't strip your skin of different like essential oils that you want in your body and your skin. It doesn't strip the moisture from your body. It just takes away the impurities and the dirt, but it leaves your body feeling so good, and it smells amazing. A little goes a long way. I just put it in my hands and then I'll lather them up and rub it on my body and then rinse off, and you have a nice subtle healthy glow after you're done in the shower. I really love this stuff because I love to wear lotion and whatnot, but sometimes I'm just in a hurry and I don't feel like I always need lotion with this because my skin feels more hydrated and luminous after I shower. So the smell is so good, and it's also got this little stopper so you won't spill it if you decide to take it with you. It's so refreshing. It's got all the healthy oils and different antioxidants in it, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. It's made from the farms of Italy, so it's all ethically sourced as well. But if you haven't tried this yet, give it a try. I'm gonna link it below in my YouTube description and in the comments. Let me know if you have any that you also like. I've been trying a lot of different things, and this one is at my top, so I'm obsessed with how good it smells and how nice it makes my body feel. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you've already been using this or if you tried it. I'll see you in the next video.